My heart's so cold, I think I'm done with ice. Birds, if I leave her, she gon' die. Well, bitch, you done with life. Okay, better not pull up with no knife, cause I bring guns to fight. Say you got that sack, I got this.
What's up, guys? You don't know, say your boy JT. I will there back with the next bang. I see me there, me out, so me alone. You don't know. Them decide to lock school due to
Coronavirus!
you see me? So we're there about you know, we not stop the grind. And we are gonna make you know when we are gonna get for the next video. It's like that is a public interview by the way, I mean by next video. So for now, we're gonna do a smash or pass. Jamaican artist edition, you see me? You don't know say in Jamaica we have the otters them. We're different from overseas. Now I say overseas have the otters, but Jamaica have the real Caribbean due to them. So what we're gonna do? We could get straight into it. So first we have Renee 630. Yeah. She look heavy, I like the fit what she have on. Cup in her hand and everything, you don't know. I show the body. Yeah man. The lips them and the dress. Really, to be honest, right here, so at the body and the dressing for me. You see me? So now if we go further, me and smash down here, you see it? She get smashed. But she look good and thing. Mama up man. Yeah. She had the drip on her neck, nails done, hair done. Tell them say nah, mama look good. Now I go tell them nah lie. So first that a Renee 630, we get that a smash, you see me? Alright, now go see who are for the next one. Die. Yeah, I think she have a song with Gold God or so. What my friend them know. See, light skins or special place right here, so you see me? Was she a bad girl? Yeah man, she look like she give one of them bad girl vibes, you see me? You're nicely done and yeah, she does well put together, you see me? Like she slim but she have body said, do you know them girl? Yeah. So you don't know, it's a smash for me. I have to smash that. I know say this job, to be honest, it's the first time I view them picture. I don't want to be like me I smash everybody, but if them look good, them I forget smash. You see me? Woman just look nice and neat. Eyelash, blonde hair, put in and everything, skin clean. You see me? I say she have a ring on her finger, man, she want to put that on.
Sir, you don't come from planet Earth.
Yeah. Not get into that right now. You see me? Next person. Spice. Alright. See Spice. Spice look good and everything. My body up and everything, but I know say a lot of people are gonna bash me, to be honest. She look good and everything in the dog. I know say enough people are gonna bash me for this, but I forgot pause. Not because she not look good, but just because she not really my type. Don't kill me, please. Don't kill me, but she just not my type. So we move on, please. Don't murder me, please. Sincere. Independent girl. Shenyeng. All of my friends them know say this is my crush. A matter of fact, possibly my future wife. Who knows that will happen? She say, you know, she just give me the nice. She just have a nice body. She got the ass on my side, you see me? She have the watermelons, you know them with it. I don't know for the watermelons. Light skin smooth and ear nice. nipple ring and eyes pan and forces pan feet and other picture. Yeah. But overall, yo, mama feel like say me in love, but take that out, like, we're not getting into that now. So it's a smash for me. Can't get one smash, it's a smash for me. Mama just nice, you see me? Mama just nice. So we can move on. She say I just have it, dog. She have it. You see me? Next picture. Chanel Miller. Yeah. She sing Yama Bella and thing. Mama body up. I'm gonna tell you about her. I like how she look, but the reason why I have to smash her today is mostly because of her personality. I see her up online, she does nice, isn't it? She look like one of them person that like say, if you start par around them, it's like you get addicted to them. You know them type of girl, yeah. But them type of girl they put in as a friends one. But I ain't a dep on that, but I have to go smash that one and you see it, you have to get smashed. She gets smashed. She nice, man. Nice Lisa B, you see me? Alright. Stark Ashley. I'm not even have to say nothing. All of the young news them know say yo, you're gonna want that be and shit. She's not too far from my age. I'm just saying. You understand? Stark Ashley is a smash for me. It's a smooth skin for me. It's a look from the eyes for me. It's a pose for me.
Yeah, boy.
You see me? It's the toes done, the nails done, everything done for me. You understand what I'm saying? And we can go incognito. Not have to tell nobody. You see me? There's a smash right there, sir. Alright. Denique, to be honest, at the first time I see she, I don't know if because I'm not open at the media as much like that, but I don't really know that much about her based off looks. She alright. You might give her like a 8 out of 10, but we'll have to go past right here, so. Because I have to, like, based on looks, like, I can't just really do that, so you understand what I say? Based on looks, I have to, not saying that she don't look good, so don't tell me that, but it's just not my type, you understand? Although she light skin, it's just not my type. Kind of light skin, I don't do it, is it? So we have to go past for that one day. It's like, Unique Curvy Divas.
Joe, man.
I'll tell you about this now. Unique Curvy Diva. We have to go drop a smash, I tell you that. From prep school days, because I never go primary school like that fun. From prep school days, when I pre that woman. Mother always tell me say, something wrong with you, because I ever pre that woman is it. Come from Magnum and all them something there. She know what to say, like, she have the thought them for what to make you get turned on and them something. Look good and things. She just ever well put together. Now people say I surgery, that now have nothing to do with me. From she look good, she look good. So it's a smash. Of a smash that is right. So next one. Lisa. Not even go waste on the time. This is a smash. You see them, it's like, you know, and the boots for me is like, it's different for me. It's a nails. It's just like, it's a pose and all of them something there for me is it. So she have to get smashed, but not wasting the time. Now. It's like, alright, I first time I see she, them say she name Nikki. So, let me see what I'm going for this, you know. I want to look like one of them bad girl there. You see me? One of the bad girl vibes. I mean, I have something for the bad girl, especially the one them are silent with it. You see it when I too show it, but they don't know that girl. I like when of them know that, you see me? So, more look on this good and see the curves and the edges and the look. honestly, she book me a street and or if me book her a street rather, me I look it so it's a smash for me, again. It's a smash for me. It's a smash. Alright. I mean, if I was born like in the 80s, probably. But let's just say, that time is over. It's a new year. Thank you. Why am friend never do this to me, dog? Coffee. Let's just say that that's not my type, and I would never look her way, and I'm sure that she would never look my way because of certain issues and technical difficulties. So, on that note, I would have to pass. Let's put that out in the air. I have passed. I'm not talking about exam, but I just pass her because she had do her thing, me I do my thing. So what you know? This at the end of the video. And how could I forget Jada Kingdom? Just now say you have a special place in all the way out, you see it. Mama heavy. We have to smash that. Yes, I have to. Cause mama body nice. You see me? So what you want to do? Subscribe and stop ramp with the thing, brother. We need to reach 1K soon. You see me? With the 100 and something subscribers, you know. So I want to keep running it up, you see me? Turn on the post notification, like the video, left on a comment down. Tell me, left on a comment in the comment section and tell me which one of them Jamaican artists here you love the best. You see me? So saying that now, we out. Boom!
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.